to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the Supraglottic Airway skill sheet. Before you start, make sure you have all your equipment. I have my BVM, my stethoscope, my O2 tank, my gel based upon weight is how you want to select. I have lube, and I'm using a Thomas tube holder select to secure today, and then also my capno. And I am ready.
Patient has no pulse and is not breathing and states CPR is being provided by the EMS team. Pharyngeal airway is in place and BVM ventilations are being performed without difficulty.
BSI seems safe. I am going to prepare my equipment. First, I am going to prepare my securing device behind my patient's head. Water-based lubricant, lubricating the distal tip of the nodule. I am now ready to insert my supraglottic airway. I'm going to have them continue doing chest compressions. They're going to stop ventilations and clear the airway. I'm going to do a head tilt chin lift. Hold down the jaw. Insert until I feel resistance. I'm adding my cap now. Again, holding onto my tube. I'm gonna have my partner check over the apex base of the lungs and over the epigastric region. If I'm having any difficulty with bagging, I'm going to pull up on the tube a little bit. Once placement has been confirmed, I'm going to secure it, making sure that the bite block goes in between the teeth. Oh, that was fun. Let that go since it's secure. Turn my O2 onto 15 liters. And I'm going to do one breath every 6 seconds. Each breath is going to be over 1 second. My partner is going to continue to do chest compressions. They're going to switch out every 2 minutes, compressors. And that's the skill. Have a great day.